Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this spinach dip loaded crostini or baguette. And yeah, so let's get into it. So I'm going to start off by melting down some butter, and I'm going to saute down some garlic. This was the appetizer I had to go with Easter dinner on Sunday, and so I decided to just separate all the videos, child, because it would have been a long video and I want y'all to really get into it. So now I'm going to add an entire bag of spinach after I saute my garlic for about 45 seconds on medium heat. My bag did say washed and ready to go, so don't start with me in the comments, y'all. Just child, some of y'all. But it's washed and ready to go. This is the seasoning I'll be using, and the only seasoning because, you know, all the cheese that's going in here, you don't want to over salt it. Also, this video is fairly short because obviously, like I said, I split everything up. And I just wanted to show you guys specifically each thing that I made. So this is the baguette that I got from HEB grocery store. It's the skinny one. You don't want the super wide one, the skinny one. Or you could do that as well. But, you know, you would need more filling is what I'm saying. And I use a serrated knife and I just slice it on an angle. And that's pretty much what I did. You don't want an angle? Slice it straight down. You're good to go. So now I'm going to add the cream cheese down in my cooled spinach mixture. Next, I added some Monterey Jack cheese, but obviously you can use the cheese you prefer. Next, I added some seasoned panko breadcrumbs. That's to help soak up the extra moisture, as well as it's going to make it more thick so that it doesn't leak all over your bread. You understand? Like it doesn't, like, you know, spill over all over into your pan. It's going to stay solid on top of the bread. And I also put some hot sauce down in here for a little kick. And once I mix it up, this is how it looks. You see how it just sits there? It's not runny all over the place. Yeah. And if I was making actual spinach dip, I would have used a whole block of cream cheese, sour cream, mayo. All that stuff would have been in there. But that's not exactly quite what we're doing. You want to put it on the bread like this. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to grate some fresh parm all over top. Okay, because you can never have enough cheese, child. Okay, these appetizers were super delicious, super good, and they go a long way for super cheap. Next, I sprinkled on some Nashville hot seasoning, chicken seasoning. Well, it's not hot, but, you know, it has a kick. And then I drizzled on some chili oil to get things nice and loosey-goosey. And then I pop it in the oven. And y'all, these are perfect for any appetizer. It doesn't have to be for Easter, Christmas, Thanksgiving, just any appetizer. They're crispy on the bottom, nice and fluffy on top, and I really hope you guys give it a try. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you on my next video, which is coming right up. Okay, guys, bye.